We'll guide you through how to integrate the Stripe Payment API into your website. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Stripe website and sign up for an account if you haven't already. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard and click on the Developers section found in the top navigation bar. Here, you'll find your API keys, which are essential for integration. Make sure you switch to Live mode if you're planning on accepting real payments. Copy the publishable key and the secret key and keep them handy. Next, you'll need to set up your server. If you're using Node.js, you can install the Stripe package by running npm install stripe in your terminal. Once installed, you can set up your server to handle payment requests by requiring Stripe and initializing it with your secret API key. Now, go to the client side of your website, for example, using HTML and JavaScript. You need to include the stripe.js library in your HTML file by adding a script tag with the stripe.js CDN link. After that, create a payment form with fields for card details. Use Stripe elements to securely collect card information without handling sensitive data on your server. This helps with PCI compliance. Once the form is ready, use JavaScript to create a token when the form is submitted. This token represents the payment source and can be sent to your server to complete the charge. Make sure to handle errors gracefully and provide feedback to users if something goes wrong during the payment process. Finally, test your integration thoroughly in test mode using the test card numbers provided by Stripe. This ensures the payment process is seamless and error-free before going live. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.